Okay, hello. So I'm trying to test recording on a new device, so hopefully this goes out really well. And yeah, so today we'll be looking at Python functions medical insurance project. And well, yeah, let's just look at it because the project seems to do very well, so I'm assuming a lot of people need them. So first take a look at the code and script. I've done this, hit save, and it works. Cool. All right, so this is already given to me. Cool. Next, the code used to estimate insurance costs for Maria and Omar looks quite similar. In both cases, we calculate, yes we do, we'll create and define a function, calculate insurance costs. So to create a function in Python, we use define calculate insurance cost. They want us to do it in line 2, which we've done, perfect. All right, and we're not having any parameters or input. Cool, let's outline the behavior we want our function to have instead of calculate insurance cost. So we'll create a variable called estimated cost, and this will be equal to 1,000. We'll add a print statement with this. So I'm just going to copy and paste this because there's no need to actually go through the entire thing. There we go. We printed it, and we'll return our estimated cost. And this is how we return a value from our function, right? Okay. So adding parameters. So we've created the function, and now we want the function to specify parameters. Now, don't forget, a parameter is something the function will take in, and it may use inside the function to, get some other result. So to get something into a function, or when we call it, we want to give a function value, we want to put it in these brackets, and it's just going age, BMI, number of children, and smoker. Cool. We'll take a look at the hint if you need to remind how to add parameters to a function definition, and we got it pretty much right here. Cool. Alright, now that we have set up the function to take inputs for each of the value needed in the insurance formula, we can make use of them inside our function. In calculate insurance cost, change the value of estimated cost from 1,000 to our formula, and this is our formula. Cool. Formula, and don't forget we are trying to calculate the insurance cost. If it hasn't been clear, that is what this is for. This is under the data science path specifically, so we're trying to just calculate how much insurance cost would be. And I think this could be useful. So for example, if you go to university and you want to calculate the cost of tuition or whatever, or the cost of your entire university years, some calculation like this or script would be pretty helpful to create. And it's seen in a bunch of other university sites. You can look up a certain university and look up the estimated cost, and you may be able to find something like that. So calling the function. So we've created the function, and it looks pretty cool. I'm assuming we don't really need this, though. I'm assuming what they actually want us to do, which I didn't do correctly, is to actually give it some sort of value. There we go. This should do it. So what this does is basically we're concatenating a string, or concatenating to a variable. So the estimated insurance cost for this person is our estimated cost, which is calculated in this formula, and then plus dollars. Nice. Okay. So now we've created the entire function. Now we actually call it. The functions are properly set to calculate based on the 5 variables passed into it. Let's check it out. Rename insurance cost as Maria insurance cost and set it equal to calculate insurance cost with the appropriate value. Okay, so we gotta find insurance cost. I'm not sure. Oh, here. And then we're going to rename it Maria insurance cost and set it equal to calculate insurance cost. That's right, because we don't need this formula anymore because the formula is already here, and we're going to call it, the formula is inside our function, and we are going to call the function. Right, calculate insurance cost with the appropriate values for Maria as arguments. And it looks like these are the arguments for Maria, so we're just going to, I'm assuming we're just going to add these variables since they're already equal to what we need over here. If anything, we could always just add 28, 0, 26.230, but they're also already equal to age, sex, BMI, number of children, smoker. So we're just going to add these values anyways. Now remove the print statement for Maria since our function will take care of printing the estimated cost for us. That's right, it will, so we'll just remove that. Done. Repeat steps 6 to 7 for Omar. Do we really want to do this? We can for sure. Oh yeah, because the variables over here are redeclared or reinitialized or whatever. So we can just, if we really wanted to redo this, well, first of all, let's save this, and we'll see if we have a problem here. So on line 4, print estimated cost must be string, not float. That's right. Okay, so to create the problem here was basically I'm trying to concatenate a float value to a string. and estimated cost is a float value. So to fix this, we have to just make it into a string. And now we'll see if this works. And now we see it does work. Perfect. For this person is okay, nice. Now they want us to do the exact same thing, but just for Omar. So here we go. We'll just again. Oh, that was not correct. We'll just set it equal to calculate insurance cost with age, sex, BMI, number of children, and smoker. Cool. And then print, we don't need this. Then let's try running it again, and we see we get the exact same thing and it's done correctly. And the code does look cleaner, I have to admit. Save. Okay. There's still so much to do. What? Okay, next modify the print statement in this function that includes the new name parameter, replacing this person with the actual name of this person in the statement. So that includes with the new name parameter. So instead of this person, they want me to actually put the name into it. So what I'm going to do is just add a new parameter. Oh yeah, no, that's what they want me to do. Never mind. So by taking a name parameter, we'll just add in the parameter over here. And then in here, we'll put name is equal to Maria. And name is equal to Omar. And then we're going to add the name value over here. If you don't know what we just did, we added an extra parameter for this function to take in. Because then what we're going to do is use this name function in our print statement. Now, obviously, to get a name function, we have to actually add it onto these functions right here, right? But we don't actually have a name variable just yet. But that problem was fixed because we did add a name variable over here. So we just add the name variable into our function parameter, and the function parameter will take it, and we can make sure that we fix it over here. So plus name, again concatenating a string. Finished. Okay. And then name. I have a feeling we're missing something. I don't know what exactly. No, we're not. And then we see that instead of this person, now this is the estimated insurance cost for Maria is this cost. Okay. We must also update our function call as passing in the name variable as an argument. Update the function call from passing in, I think, oh, I already did that. Okay, cool. Basically what this is it's just telling me to add the variables, I believe, so we can pass it into our parameters, but we've already done that. So we're good. In this example, we calculated the insurance cost for 2 individuals, but with our new code, we can easily extend this to thousands or even millions of individuals. To illustrate, estimate your own insurance cost. I'm not going to do that because that would be giving away some information that I just don't want to put in this video. And congratulations, we've done it. Modify so that we can turn 2 values, output message. Okay, so the way we would do this is instead of return estimated cost, we would do return estimated cost, comma, and whatever other value we want to put. So we can put age, we can put BMI, we can do any of that kind of stuff. And then to get the value after that, we would call it, but we would also call it in the form of a list. So a function 0 would equal estimated cost. Function 1 in this case would equal age. And if we want to put smoker, this would be index like 2, right? So we're just not going to do that because it's a lot of work. No, it's not a lot of work. It's very easy to do. Create a second function to calculate the difference between the insurance cost of any 2 individuals. So the way we would do this is we just define a new function. So we'll just name it whatever function. And it would take in 2 parameters, maybe Maria and Omar. And then we can just return, we can just do something like return the 1 value minus another value. This is just pseudocode. So that's how we would do that. And yeah, that seems to be it. Everything works. Yeah, sorry for the late video. I'll try to post more related to Python, and these seem to be very popular. So have a nice day, and goodbye.